Put your fingers down inside with some water, and now a little bit of pressure, and you're gonna hear that vibration. Oh, you're gonna get in trouble for messing around at the table.